Galaxy, and today we're playing rock card. Basically, you pick a card that goes with the thing. Like the purple card is your like card that you have to try to fill in, and then you have white cards that switches every turn to try and pick your card. That's basically what the game is. So I'm the judge right now. So we get to wait for a bit. But they're trying to fill in blank the Nicolas Cage story. What would they possibly put for that? I have no clue. Oh yeah, and whoever gets to 5 first wins, basically. Or however this game is, which one. Jailbait. The Nicolas Cage story. Llama Orange. The Nicolas Cage story. I'm Lester. The Jewish Mafia. Jewish Mafia. The person that's winning, of course. Why do you always give the person that's winning the point? I don't know why, but it always happens. Today's episode was brought to you by the letter C, the number 6. Let's just put that. Watching something on VR. Yeah, we're watching Who is Peakree gonna pick, I wonder? Boy wonder. Let's see who we gonna pick. There's a lot of great choices. Is it gonna pick mine? Because mine's the best choice ever. Hopefully he picks mine. That would be great. Is he gonna pick something? Exorcism 1. Okay. I guess I really suck at this game. If I can't even get picked. I like my I like pussy coppers on my sandwiches. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But we'll see how Smith thinks about that. Let's see if he'll pick mine. You better pick mine, 'cause I want to win. I need to win. Who's he gonna pick? The only one that's actually a thing. That's not dirty or something. But apparently I can't get picked because the other two people have both 2 points. Yay. The Vatican has proclaimed that a worse sin than same-sex marriage is a haunted house full of pedophiles. I don't know. I mean, that would be pretty weird if they actually proclaimed that, but I mean, that's basically just putting weird things. Some other choices: lying to get a girl to put her out, being Harvey Weinstein the movie. Apparently she wants to get either she doesn't like me or she just picked the wrong one. What is in my zombie fucking stuff bad? Shh. Just everywhere. Shh. IT. Just everywhere. Claims we're cheating now. She just wanted to pay me back. Jeez, what's wrong with that? Everyone else has 2 except me and his Smith. I'm a judge, yay. What's the best thing an Ohio State grad can become? Ohio State grad. What are they gonna put for this? There's many things that they could put for this, but find out what they're gonna put. Flat Earth Society members. Earth's not flat, bro. That's what in a new film, Hades Stark portrays a CGI version of getting Catholic Story to look like a K-pop star. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Is he gonna pick mine? Probably not. But you know, it's nice to guess. I guess. Yeah. Let's go. I'm probably gonna lose because I haven't got picked once. Pick me once, please. Maybe it's just me, but blank gets me hot. Dinner date with Jeffrey Dahmer, whoever that is. Apparently not that famous. Will I pick mine? Getting a from my grandpa's ghosts. Wow. Just wow. This game's taking forever. Because we don't keep picking one person. And apparently not me for that reason. For Halloween I'm gonna be Dunkcock, I don't know. This video is not made for kids. Let's just say that because don't sue me. That's the reason why. Kappa, don't sue me. Kappa, don't sue me. Kappa, don't sue me. Kappa, don't sue me. Are they gonna pick me? Let's find out. Yay, so Mexicano is 1 point away from winning. Yay. But he can't win. What makes the world go around? Cookies and kittens. Because who doesn't like cookies and or kittens? Cookies and kittens are great. Let's find out who she or he's gonna pick. Alright, 1 away from winning. Yay! I'm so great. Woo woo. And I'm the judge. The next EA game will ask you to pay for. EA likes to make you pay. EA makes you pay. Oh yeah. I'm the Kool-Aid man. Oh yeah. Anyways, that's nice. Epic Games. Where did I put? The next EA game will ask you to pay for poor life choice. That's the winner. That's definitely my winner. So it'd be nice if, you know, it would actually load. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. I picked poor life choices. Thank you. Come on. I don't see why. Just put anything.